Good morning, kindergarten. This is our math lesson for Tuesday, May 5th. This is Miss Preston. Today is our first day of Module 5. That is so exciting. We did a great job doing addition and subtraction to 10. This module, we're going to focus on numbers 10 through 20 now and counting to 100. Today, you will complete lesson 1 problem set of module 5. So at the top right corner, it will say K/5 for module 5. I will show you the problem set at the end of this video. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Today, we are going to do a number to 20 practice. So we have been writing numbers 1 through 20. Today we're going to focus really hard on perfecting our numbers 10 through 20. So I would like you to open your composition book to a brand new page. We're going to have a brand new page for this new module. At the top of your page, please write numbers to 20, and our date for today, which is 5-5-20 for May 5th, 2020. You are going to practice writing numbers 10 through 20 and take your time as we do this and really make sure you are forming the correct number. If you need help with any of these numbers, please reach out and I would be more than happy to work with you on perfecting these writing of the numbers 10 through 20 and even 1 through 20. All right, take a few minutes and practice writing the numbers 10 through 20. All right, great job, guys. Before we move on, I just want us to go through together and say the numbers 10 through 20. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, right now, I would like you to count on from 20 as high as you can go up to 100. Okay, so take a few minutes, pause this video, count from 20 on. Our goal is to get to 100. So count from 20 as high as you can go then. And you come back and then we'll continue the video. All right, great job. Tomorrow we are going to practice that all together. We're going to count all the way to 100. All right, guys, today we are focusing on, this unit will be focusing on numbers 10 through 20. Before we begin, I want to do a little activity. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of dots. Each dot has a different number of dots, or each group has a different number of dots. So this is group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. I am going to show you a group, and I want you to tell me how many dots are in that group, okay? So we're going to start with this one right here. This top one, how many dots are in this top group? 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job, guys. And what is 1 more than 3? 4. So if I added 1 more dot in there, I would have 4 dots. Let's check that. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Great job, guys. All right, come on down to this bottom group right here. How many dots do I have there? I have 2 dots. Great job, guys. And if I added 1 more dot to this bottom group, how many dots would I have? 3 dots. Great job. And let's check that to make sure. 1, 2, 3. Great. I'm going to write the number 3 right here so we know how many dots are in here. Remind me again, how many dots did we have in this group right here? 4. All right, let's move over to this group right here. How many dots do I have on the top? 5. Did you say 5? Good job. Let's count that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 1 less than 5? If I were to take 1 away, what is 1 less than 5? It is 4. Good job. 1 less than 5 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and let's look at this bottom group right here. How many dots do I have in this bottom group right here? 3. 1, 2, 3. And if I were to add 1 dot to this group, how many dots would I have? I would have 4 dots. Great job, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna hop on over to the front of our board. All right, like I said, we are practicing numbers 10 through 20 and counting to 100. All right, guys, I have a bunch of different groups on my board. What we are going to do is we are going to count each of the groups in these squares. We want to figure out how many stars are in each of these squares. All right, so we're going to start by counting this first one. I want you to count along with me as I count the stars, and we need to figure out how many stars are in this first square. All right, so let's take a look at this first one. We are going to count together how many stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many stars are in this square altogether? 10. I'm going to put the number 10 up here so we do not forget how many stars we counted right there. All right, let's go ahead and count this second square. We need to count all of these to see how many are in each square. All right, go ahead and count with me how many are in square number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are in square number 2? 10. I'm going to write 10 up here again. So I have 10 in this first group, and I have 10 in this second group. All right, let's go into the third one. Let's see how many stars are in this third square. Please go ahead and count with me as I count on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did we count? We counted 10 stars again. So I have 1, 2, 3 groups that all have 10 stars. All right, let's keep going. Let's count how many are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. How many stars did I have in this group? I had 10 stars. So count with me again. How many groups have 10 stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, I have 4 groups that have 10 stars in each group. Okay, let's go down to this first square right here. Count with me how many stars we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again. I have how many groups now that have 10 stars in them? I have 5 groups that all have 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups have 10 stars in them. Okay, let's go down to this next one right here. Tell me by just looking at it, does this square have 10 stars? No, it doesn't. Let's count to see how many stars it has. Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. So this one does not have 10 stars. All right, let's keep going. Let's count how many are in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does this square have 10 stars? No, it does not. This one has 5 stars. All right, let's go ahead and count this last one. Tell me, is this square going to have 10 stars? I don't think so. Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars again. All right, guys, so we have a lot of squares that have 10 stars in them, and we have a few squares that do not have 10 stars in them. I want to figure out how many groups have 10 stars in them. If you know, please shout out the number. How many groups have 10 stars in them? We have 5 groups that have 10 stars in them. Let's count how many groups have 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups have 10 stars. All right, guys, so when we count these, we call each of these a 1, spelled O-N-E. Each individual star is called a 1. So if we have 10 stars, we have 10 ones. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups that have 10 ones. So when we count, this star is a 1. We have 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10 ones. So remember, every time that we count an object, a picture, it will be called a 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups that have 10 ones. All right, great job today. We're gonna hop on over to our problem set so I can show you guys the problem set for today and what you will do in this problem set. Okay, so it says circle the groups that have 10 ones. So what you will be doing is you will look through, you will count each group. You want to circle all of the groups that have 10 ones. Remember again, each object is a 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You want to figure out all the groups that have 10 ones. So let's start with this first one right here. I see a bunch of footballs. Let's count to see how many footballs there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this group, I have 10 ones. Let's try one more together. Let's do the bouncy balls up here. We are going to go ahead and count this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. So does this group have 10 ones? No, it doesn't. This group has 9 ones. So go ahead and complete this problem set, circling all the groups that have 10 ones. You can upload this to portfolios, and I will see you for our lesson tomorrow. Great job today, guys.